In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a referral code on Shein. This tutorial will guide you through the process, making it easy for you to share your referral link and help your friends enjoy discounts and vouchers while earning some benefits yourself. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Shein website, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL or search for Shein using your favorite search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an array of fashion categories and products. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so at the top right corner of the page. Logging in is a crucial step as it allows you to access your profile and use the referral features. Next, look towards the top right area of the homepage and you'll find the profile icon. It's usually represented by a little silhouette of a person. Click on it to access your account details and preferences. This is your hub for managing orders, tracking shipments, and most importantly for today, accessing referral options. Once you're in your profile section, you should see various options for managing your account. Focus your attention on Share and Earn, which is often prominently displayed. Select this option to proceed. This section is where the magic happens in terms of referring your friends to Shein. It's designed to make the process seamless and rewarding for both you and the friends you refer. Now that you're in the Share and Earn section, you'll see your personal referral link. This link is tailor-made for your account, allowing Shein to track any signups or purchases your friends make after clicking your link. To share it, simply click on the copy button located next to the link. With this click, it's now ready to be pasted and shared through various mediums like emails, text messages, or even social media platforms. By doing this, you open up a world of savings for your friends, and in turn, you enjoy the perks tied to their sign-up and shopping activities. To summarize, using Shein's referral code feature is a straightforward process that starts with visiting their website, accessing your profile, heading to the Share and Earn section, and sharing your unique referral link. It's a practical way to spread the word about Shein while enjoying discounts together with your friends. Make sure to use your link wisely and share it with those who would truly appreciate what Shein offers. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing on Shein.